Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have this kinky straight wig from Hurela Hair, and I've never tried this texture before. I thought it would be like, I don't know, I didn't think it'd be that cute on me or anything like that, but I love it. I'm so obsessed. This is how it's looking. This is their 13 by 4 transparent lace 24 inches kinky straight wig, and I did straighten it just a little bit just so it's a bit more easier to manage, but this is how it's looking. Really obsessed. If you guys want to know more about this hair, I put everything in the description down below, and if you guys want to know how I did this install, keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm already bald headed. I used the wig cap that they sent me. It's like the really thin ones, and it looks awesome. I used Got To Be gel to lay it down, so that's why you might see a little white stuff, but I did the bald cap method, and I've filmed it in my other videos before, so I just wanted to get repetitive, so I'm not gonna film it in this one. But yeah, here it is, and excuse my look, but I really don't like wearing makeup while I do hair, and I'm just not feeling the best today, so this is what we're working with. But here is the wig. It is transparent lace, which is still fine, but it's still like a really good one that will work perfectly for me. It has like a little brown tint. I've worked with this type of lace before, so this is good for me, but I bleached the knots and I kind of over bleached them. Yeah, I just thought they were still fine, but definitely over bleached, but I think I can still work with it, so that's okay. But here is how it is. So thick, guys. Like, this is so much hair. So much. It is a 13 by 4, so not too much lace to work with, but it'll be fine. And yeah, let's get to installing. I don't think I have to tint the lace. I'll probably just tint it while it's on my head, but I don't think I have to put any foundation on it or anything. Let's see how this fits. Oh, it's great. I've been having some bad luck sometimes with like wigs that are too small or don't fit my head, and I don't think I have that big of a head, so, but this is great. And oh my gosh, the hairline actually looks great. I thought I really messed it up, but it's fine. I swear I had the bleach on for like 10 minutes and it was done. But let me cut around the ears and cut the excess lace off. Alright, I definitely want this wig to go a bit lower than my natural hairline. I really don't want to get any of my edges like caught in some glue or anything. So just to be safe, I will be putting it a bit lower. But then my baby hairs will be minimal, so it won't look crazy. And let me know what you guys think about my setup. Like, do you guys prefer it in the salon? I think it's much more convenient. I don't know. And I feel like it looks better, like lighting wise and everything, so let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna do something like this. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so that's what we're working with, and just like always, I'm using my Gold Hold Active, and I'm gonna do about 3 layers. Alright, it's time to stick everything. Alright, now I'm just going to put my melting band on. And I'm going to keep this on for like 5 to 10 minutes. And I'll be back when this is all dry. Alright, so while this was doing its thing, I went ahead and started straightening the hair. And this is how it's looking, just so that it's easier to manage. And it actually straightens really well. It just feels like your natural hair straight. Really nice so far, so soft. All I'm putting is some heat protectant. I'm pretty sure it's heat protectant. Oh no, I'm putting some polisher. They have the same one, but it's okay. I'm just putting this on, and a bit of BioSilk here and there, but I'm just going to be doing that, and I'll speed this part up because it's a lot of hair. A lot. So here is how it's looking all straight. Really nice, pretty long. If you guys want to see. That's really nice so far. But now it's time to take this off. Definitely left it longer than 10 minutes, probably like 30. But it's okay, it'll just melt even more. Spin this up. I don't even know how I was thinking of doing my edges, but I'm gonna just do them naturally, kind of. It's time to cut off the lace. I'm going to use eyebrow razor and scissors. Super melted though, wow. Oh my gosh. Really melted. And it's not HD lace. That is very good. So here's how the hairline's looking. Looks really, really good. Super natural. Now I'm just going to do my edges. And yeah, I don't really have like a set way that I think I'm going to do. I don't know what happened here. I'm trying to think how this area got dark. Very weird. Hopefully the baby hair will cover that up. But yeah, I'm just going to do random baby hairs. And then that will pretty much be it. So I have the baby hair pieces out. Put everything back. Using my KINKY curler. And now I'm just gonna mousse the edges. And this is just the argan mousse, I'm pretty sure. And always just be fast whenever using mousse. Wrap it. Okay. Now that is doing its thing. I'm just gonna do my part. I think I was gonna do a middle part, but now I'm feeling the side, I think. So I'll do like a messy side part type of situation. Back stick. It might just have to be something like this because it's a 13 by 4, so it's not too much space. And while that's happening, I'm just going to cut some layers. Maybe I won't cut them too much just because I'm not sure if I'll leave it in the middle or in the side. Don't know yet. I literally just took off the band and it looks amazing. Literally looks like my own hair. It's so crazy. So nice. I didn't think it would be this nice. And I don't even think I need to do anything to the baby hairs. I like how it looks like this. Perfect. Can't lie, I really was nervous about this hair, but it looks awesome. And as for the part, let me see. Maybe over here. I don't want it to be like too deep of a part. I'd rather something in the front. Or a no part, actually. I think no part's better. Just like that. I love it. I think we're done. That was really It was easier than I thought it would be and so pretty. But that is the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. I love it. It feels like my own hair. It's so natural. Even the lace melted better than I expected. Like, I've been working with so much HT lace wigs, but this was transparent and still eating so good. I love it. So yeah, that is it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. Comment below what you'd like to see next, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.